Tama ka, diba? Season 1. Brigiding Season 1. But before that, gusto ko munang i-acknowledge yung designer ng aking damit tonight. Aaron Montoya is here! Hi Aaron, thank you for this beautiful, beautiful dress.
Amazing.
Ando doon sa check.
Oo.
Guys, okay ba kayo? Okay ba? Para walang energy yung mga tita ko dito eh. Pagod kasi ko sa umaga, dahil sa umaga, nagtitinda sila ng karne sa palengke. Yan, ang buhay sa akin. Thank you so much for coming. Maraming salamat po. I love you. Yan, ito yung kapatid ko rin nandito. Tomboy yan.
Go, go.
Tomboy yan. Proud tomboy yan. Ito tomboy din. Yan, tomboy. Diba, buhay na buhay ang community natin. Supportahan natin ang isa't isa. Girl boy, mga tomboy. Agent na bahay. Also, magkakaroon tayo ng The Brad Season 2!
The Brand, ito yung Kumu. Yung sa ano, Kumu na, Kumular.
Kasama ni Tita Baby sa Season 3, we have your sympathy! Ang saya, no? This is the best time to be gay, to be out and proud. So please, buhayin natin ang ating mga sarili. Gumising tayo. Walang tigil na support for the Giraffe community here in the Philippines. Also present here ang ating thriving ballroom community. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go to our next performer. Many times it is the heartbreaks that made us strong and the promise that kept us anchored all these years. It is the ode to that chapter in our life. Performing again
Aries na.
from Brigiding Season 1. Let's give it up for